Hey everyone, in this 10-part series we will explore the world of logic gates and also take a look at semiconductors and Python. No matter if you already know a bit about semiconductors and Python or not, you will be able to follow along. Though, if you want to dive deeper into semiconductors and Python in general, I will leave links throughout this series to other videos that I recommend that go along very well with this series. And in general, I want to shout out the channel of Ben Eater, which has been an inspiration for this series and is all about electric circuits and low-level computer design. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, definitely check him out. Link in the description. So what are logic gates? Well, basically they are the brain of the computer, allowing them literally to work and therefore calculate stuff, but also maintain state with more advanced combinations of logic gates like the flip-flops. Nope, not these. Yep. No idea what I'm talking about? Well, good, because this is what we are going to learn in the next couple of videos. But for a reason that will become more apparent in the later videos, we will start the next video by talking about and understanding transistors. Yep, these tiny weird little semiconductors that nobody understood in high school. But they are actually a lot simpler than you might remember them. So let's take a closer look.